Hello guys, and welcome back to my vlog channel. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be baking with my best friend, Victoria. She's going to the store right now. She's also going to bring out some garbage. But until I can bake, I have to clean my disgusting ass kitchen. And
broken.
So it looks disgusting. Here, let me show you. So this is how it looks right now. Ignore the huge mess. Actually don't, because I'm gonna clean it in front of you. But our dishwasher is randomly broken. It just won't turn on. There's no power to it. So we're stocking up on dishes because I have been dealing with finals for my criminal justice class. So we haven't had time to do dishes. But I'm going to do dishes while this beautiful lady goes to the store. Goodbye, I love you.
Goodbye.
Be safe.
I had to make sure I had my keys. Wait, I gotta fix my hair. I can't look ugly.
Me. Okay,
the store workers know us too well.
That's true. Okay, so you guys are going to come with me while I start to do all these dishes. Little overview. They are disgusting. Like, how disgusting? Like, ew. So let's get right into the video. So I think that the first thing I'm going to do is clean up the counters. So I need to throw out my Edo from yesterday night's dinner, and I'm gonna throw all the garbage, and there's like a random pizza thing. This has been here forever, since like 2 weeks ago, because my mom's fiance, husband, whatever, boyfriend, had their birthday here, and don't worry, there was only like a few people here. We are not having a lot of people here due to COVID, but still, so that's there. So yeah, let's throw all of this nasty, disgusting garbage out. Ooh. So I just picked up all the garbage. I even got rid of the pop bottles, and now my least favorite part of cleaning is doing the dishes. I don't mind doing dishes, actually. It's kind of therapeutic, but it's also like time consuming, and it just takes a really long time. Okay, so I'm going to start doing dishes right now. So next I'm going to wipe down these disgusting counters and clean my stove. Like seriously, these counters are disgusting. So let's get on that. Okay, so my kitchen is finally clean. I just finished the dishes, I dried them off, my countertops are beautiful, my stove looks beautiful, everything looks amazing. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying weird Pinterest baking hacks with really simple baking boxes, I think that's what you call it. So this is the Betty Crocker spice cake mix, like this. And the Pinterest hack that I will insert here says that all you do is add a can of pop to this instead of adding the ingredients, which the ingredients are 1 cup of water or milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So we are going to do one set of cupcakes following the original instructions, and then the exact same second box, we're going to just add a can of pop to it. So with this spice cake one, you're supposed to add ginger ale, but I do not have ginger ale, so all I have is Diet Cherry Coke, so we're gonna hope for the best and hope that turns out good. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. So the ingredients that you are going to need for the original, like no Pinterest hacks or anything, is just vegetable oil, and then eggs, and milk or water. It says milk or water. I'm gonna use milk because, to be honest, this expires on May 8th, and I would like to use it up. Okay, and then for the one that is the Pinterest hack, I'll insert again up here, is just a cup of, well, not a cup, a can of pop. The picture will tell you what to use for whatever can you want, whatever flavor you want. It'll tell you what to do, but I'm just using what I have because this is all I drink for pop. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's get straight into this. So we're going to actually do the easy one first, just because I'm super interested. So I'm going to take whatever is inside of this box. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it's just one bag. Yeah, it's just this one single bag. And I'm going to pour it into this silver empty bowl. I do not have any baking materials, so I will be mixing everything by hand. And yeah, because your girl does know how to bake, but she moved it on her own, so you know that cheap girl life, save money, live better. So,
Hashtag Walmart not sponsored.
Hashtag Walmart. I did work there for like a year. Okay, so the powder is in there. Now, for the best part, we're going to add this can of Diet Cherry Coca-Cola. I'm very sad, guys, because this is my last can of pop. Like, I'm actually super sad. Just, so good. My last one. And we're gonna add it in.
That looks so gross.
Right? It actually looks disgusting, but we're gonna hope to God that it turns out good. Okay, next, we're going to just stir. We're going to stir. Oh, it just looks it kind of looks like, you know how when you make a root beer float?
Yeah, but it kind of looks like that with puke.
Okay, this is just disgusting.
Oh, I mean, I guess it'll.
I just think it's too much like pop. Like what? Okay, we're gonna.
It's fine. Whatever.
Whatever. We're gonna do what the instructions. Oh, guys, don't be an idiot like me, and remember to set your oven to something. 350 Celsius.
Celsius.
The F one. What's the F one?
Oh, Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. 350.
Did you say Celsius?
I did. Not gonna lie.
You're my. Oh my God. This is why you're my best friend.
Okay. Wow, this is actually looking kind of good. I'm not gonna lie.
Did it start getting better?
It did.
It looks like just really thick.
I really wish that I had a mixer because my hands hurt.
Do you want me to do it?
Oh, it's okay. Oh, and here's my best friend trying it because there's not raw egg in it, and she can eat some of it.
It smells like gingerbread.
Okay, now taste it. Is it gross?
It isn't.
Does it taste like Diet Coke?
It's not that bad.
Okay, that is a good try.
Oh, it's not that good. But you can tell when you bake it, it'll be good.
Okay. So guys, let's get right into this video with the chunky girl right here.
You are beautiful and I love you.
What
did you break?
I'm not pregnant, guys. I'm just fat. Okay, so next, we're going to pour this in there, like so. And we're going to add 3 eggs. Remember when we were complaining that we had too many eggs?
Now we don't have enough.
Now this is our last batch of eggs. Egg. Who wants to come over to my apartment and eat like 30 cupcakes and get fat with me? Woo! Okay guys, so next step is clean after you guys' self because y'all nasty. Well, no, you guys aren't. I'm nasty. And so let's clean up after us because my counter looks nasty.
There's a lot of stuff on it.
So this is what the 2 batters look like. This is the batter with the can of Diet Cherry Coke. And this is the batter where I followed the instructions, then just added vanilla extract and more cinnamon because you can never get enough of that. Not like it wasn't literally already a spice cake. And then we only have these, so we're gonna put as many in there as we can. We're gonna split it 6-6, and the rest we're gonna put into a cake. And then we have some icing. And then we have a Victoria. Guys, isn't she just so pretty?
Stop. Okay.
Love you.
I love you.
Okay, so let's get into filling it. Guys, my legs are so hairy, it's not funny. It's quarantine, so no girl needs to shave their legs. Also, if it wasn't quarantine, like, let's be honest, we don't shave our legs unless you're, like, weird.
Or, you know.
Getting laid. You know? Wink, wink, get some, lady. Well, I do the nasty pop one. Victoria over here is gonna do the yummy looking one. So I guess we fill it like halfway, right? Yummy. Smells disgusting. Okay guys, so now I'm going to make a quick banana ice cream. I'm not following a recipe, I just wanted to do this randomly because why not? I'm gonna make this and I'm gonna make Victorian ice cap and then we'll be happy campers. So all I put in there was a banana and a half, frozen bananas, some milk, a little bit of icing, and then a vanilla extract. Hopefully this turns into something good. I don't know. Okay, so I just finished it. I'm gonna put it into a bowl now. This is my first attempt, and for a first attempt, it's looking pretty good. But let's see how. It doesn't look like thick like an ice cream, but it looks really good. Like, it looks really good. Now let's taste it. Bro.
Good?
It tastes like banana cream pie ice cream. It's so good. That's actually 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. This is so good. Like, wow. It's like not like consistency of ice cream, but it like tastes like ice cream. Mm-hmm. It's actually 10 out of 10. Y'all, if you have those ingredients. 10
out of 10, would recommend.
Yeah, I would recommend this. So if you have these ingredients, do it because it's so good. Wow. I'm gonna eat this and cupcakes are almost done, so I'll be back to you guys. Okay guys, so the cupcakes are finished. I just put a good cupcake on the plate and a bad cupcake on here. I don't know why I say bad, it's just like
those are
followed recipe and then disgusting, add a can of Diet Coke to recipe. And now I'm going to taste test each one on camera with no icing because I want to get like the full experience, you know? And then I'm gonna add icing. Okay, so they're really hot because I didn't want to give it any time to cool because I just want to freaking try one. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it out. It looks super nice if I gave it a second to cool. Okay, this one looks like real crumbly, not gonna lie. Okay, so that just fell apart. But it looks like this. It completely fell apart. This one stayed together pretty well. That one fell apart. But here we go. I'm gonna try the bad one first so that I don't have my expectations high. But I'm gonna just chonk this in my mouth. Chonk this. Wow, it's actually not bad. It's actually really good. Let me try this one. Then this is the regular, and then I'll give my like Tuesday's opinion on it. So this one you can tell that it's like a little bit dry. Like it's not like you can eat it. Like I would still eat this one. But this one's actually like really good. Okay, Victoria. Try. Victoria's reaction next. So
okay,
here's the bad one. Good one. Well, actually now it's just like
here are they.
Easy one. Not easy. Okay, there you go. It's not bad. Now try the other one. Do you see what I'm saying? How that one's a bit dry?
This one's dry and this one's like moist.
Yeah, it's like moist.
That word.
My final conclusion is we shouldn't have thrown out the other batter because this one tastes better. It's like actually good. This one is just like, I don't know why. It's a little bit dry. I did it. I think it's a perfect cooking time. But this one's like moist. Okay, so I'm going to rate this. This one I'm going to rate like 6 out of 10 just because I make better cupcakes. And this one, like a 4. This one just doesn't have that much flavor. This one like has way more flavor, and this one is like kind of dry, you know? But for presentation, like the way that this one kind of fell apart really easy and this one just like stayed together pretty well. This one is obviously better for that, but if you're looking for taste, do this one. If you're looking for like presentation, do that one. I don't know why I'm even telling you guys this. It's not like anyone's gonna do this, but yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting weekly. And also, thanks for putting up with my annoying ass. And yeah, I hope you all have a great night. I'm gonna eat some cupcakes and eat some pizza because like chubby girls for the win. So bye guys.